up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post to say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my post to say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss.
On this world, vengeance shall be mine.
Nako, P.
Yeah, so may perspective on both sides.
Alright, Sol, do the honors, introduce the players.
Okay, sa bottom right, we have Extinct with Zerg. And sa top left, we have Atitos King playing as Protoss. Janus, who do you think will win this?
During the match-up, throughout the games, tingin ko si Atitos is well prepared. Extinct is also very well prepared in terms of, he is also very favored to win this tournament. And I think kailangan lang ni Atitos is to read the build orders ni Extinct kasi masyadong mabilis yung transition ni Extinct compare ni Atitos. And siguro ang strength ni Atitos is malakas din siya macro micro.
Oh yeah, dun sa games natin, ang lakas niya mag-defensa and at the same time mag-offense.
Malakas. That's why they are in the semifinals right now. If you in StarCraft, anything goes talaga. So paiba-iba talaga yung mga mga happenings, no? Kahit sobrang galing mo na, you can be just defeated by a cheese play or a fake move or build orders conversion. So you have to really right now wala pa masyadong nangyayari. Extinct is now making his spawning pool while Atitos is making his forge and then scout.
He's going for 12 pool.
He's going for 12 pool and then hatch. Wala pang assimilator. Ano nga yun sa inyo? Sa Zerg?
Assimilator.
Extractor.
Best thing, Geyser.
Geyser, sorry. Let's check the screen. Currently right now we have 6 million viewers. Welcome 6 million viewers. Shout out. Feel free to chat. We'll answer it. And also si Sol naka-view sa and he will also correspond to anyone who chats yung mga technical difficulties, isabi nyo na lang. Now, Atitos making the first scout, no? This is a cross spawn, guys. So, very advantageous kay Atitos to deny any Zergling rush.
Yeah, pero pag cross spawn is typically Zerg favored. Kasi, pwede siyang gumawa ng third base kagad you see? Meron na
Yes. Mabilis yung third base.
Yeah. He's not worried of any rush kasi nga the Zealots have to go the extra mile para maabot yung base.
Yes. Thank you.
Already 3 minutes in favored ng Zerg.
So wala pang harassment na nangyari. Atitos is now making his first gateway and then assimilator here. Let's check. Atitos is just roaming around with his 1 link and now he has 4 links upcoming here. Let's see what next move Atitos will do, Extinct will do. But here,
tignan natin kung yung first 100 gas ni Extinct, anong gagawin niya?
it's either I don't know if it's a lair or just
nag-lair.
Lair. Oh my
Ano
god.
to? Yeah, either Lurker or Muta.
Yeah, Lurker or Muta. And I hope Titos will try to see this when his scout probe is coming all the way, pero thankfully malayo yung yung Zergling ni Extinct. So
Yeah,
we will see
masascout,
this.
yung masascout niya yung third base pero hindi yung lair tech unless pumasok siya ng main.
Yep. Kailangan niyang pumasok sa main para malaman niya anong ginagawa to correspond this. Ngayon, meron na siyang Stargate.
Stargate. So, in-anticipate niya yung Muta.
Yes. Muta. Kasi
Ayun,
double
nakita
gas. Hindi. Isa lang gas na.
Hindi,
No?
isa pa.
Isa pa.
Usually, maggagas pag malapit na matapos yung lair.
Okay.
But let's see. Ikaw, Janos, ano sa tingin mong ginagawa ni Atitos? Standard.
Standard with forge expand Sayer, and then of course unahin talaga yung Sayer to tech and to see what she's doing. And
Ayun.
I know for the fact that Atitos is just going to try to make his 8 zealots, and then Citadel, Rush, and then Templar Archives for the Storm, then take the third base. Pero mahihirapan siya dito kasi may Spire talaga ang gagawin
Ayun.
Extinct. So wala
Yun,
talagang
that's-
mangyayari na early third base dito si Atitos. But let's see if ang Sir will see the Zerg Spire, because he needs to make a lot of cannons in the mineral line first.
Ayun na.
Yep.
Atitos is aware na this is a Muta attack.
Yeah, I think. Pero hindi niya nakita. Nakita niya lang na may lair. And wala pang din sa nangyari na yan. Tama ba ako?
Yeah, wala pa. Ano yung sa natural niya?
Yung sa natural niya is only
Hatchery.
Hatchery.
Okay. So he's fully aware na this is going to be a Muta all-in.
yes, Meta
Unless
All-In and Micro.
mag-transition si Extinct.
I think this is a Scourge coming in. Overload pa rin. So this one overload will be killed, and then the
Ayun.
Scourge will come.
You better run! Takbo ka na!
Balik muna and wait for the +1. Now Atitos is making his +1 here and making a lot of zealots ready to attack later on. And now
Ayun,
Extinct has used one of the Scourge. Let's see if what he will do here. He is already droning up for mass
Yeah.
mass
It's a-
Hydra, or
Yeah, it's the standard 6 hatch Hydra.
yes. Ito na yung sinasabi ko na mabilis talaga ang transition ni Extinct. If Atitos will not answer to this is an easy bust. But this is already 3 cannons, and we're still waiting for his let's say 4 to 6 gates to move out with the Storm. Hopefully Atitos will connect those attack, because this
Ito
will
na
be,
yung-
I think, a long game.
Ito na yung first timing attack ni Atitos. +1 na ba yung Zealot?
+1 na yung weapon, I think.
So ito na yung tinatawag niyo na Bulldog Zealot.
Yes. Pero sana sinama niya yung share.
Oo nga, no?
Kasi sayang din. May
Pero-
damage din naman yung
Pero hindi, the attack
he'll wait
goes...
for the share and try to attack. Try to attack with the together. Just don't let your die. Yun. Very good micro here by Atitos, and now Atitos will try to attack all of it. The zealots. Let's see if meron nang gagawin na meron ng Archons parating. And I hope this will not commit fully kasi ang sikip niyan. Go back first.
Ang ganda ng SimCity.
Maganda yung SimCity. Go back first and try to recover again, regroup. Oh my God.
Ano
Extinct
nangyari
is
sa
now,
Spurs? Yeah.
His drone counts is lessening because of this. This will try to delay the mineral production or mineral mining of Extinct, but naubos yung 6 to 8.
Yeah, he
Zealots
loses
na.
a few drones, pero
Yes.
he gets to defend his base.
Yes, naubos lahat ng units ni Atitos. And now he will try to compensate with a lot of gates. 4 gates now coming, guys. Pero this will not be safe for Atitos because this is already 12 Mutalisks, guys. And one cannon here is not enough. You
Yeah,
need a
but
lot. And now
a few
you
of
try
those
to
Mutalisks are
micro-blast
injured.
and mauubos to. Okay, very good decision here by Extinct, trying to destroy everything. And now, nako-compensate na yung damage kasi ang SimCity ni Atitos is a double bleeding him. Now, Atitos will lose a lot of probe here, and now Extinct is just making use of the SimCity of Atitos. He cannot go inside. He
You
cannot
just need
attack.
yung Archon sa mineral
Oh,
line. Yun lang
yung
kailangan yung
icon,
gawin.
umiikot lang. Oh
Oo,
my God. One
ayun,
icon.
yun lang. One shot lang. Is all you
Oh,
need.
one shot lang, and those are a
Oh, shit.
lot of probes died there, guys, with the use of this kind of SimCity. This is already double blading Atitos. Now Atitos will try to counter attack here, but nakikita ni Extinct, and this will deny this. And Atitos is far behind with the mining. Kasi
Yeah, look
kulang
at the-
kanina yung ano niya, cannons. He needs
Yeah, you
to make-
look at the difference in supplies. Usually, it's the other way around.
Yes.
Protoss yung mas mataas. Pero hindi. Tama 30. 30 na yung supply gap.
Yes, kasi maraming probes na matay doon na ano.
Kaya, this game is
Kung wala
going...
dito yung ano, yung ang Stargate, siguro naka-defend pa yun effectively. Pero Atitos is now using his Zealot, pero hindi ata effective yung Zealot mo dyan, Atitos.
Wala to.
You need a storm. Go back. Extinct is very effective here with his 8 Mutalisks, and now Atitos Zealots are now not hindi nag-iisip ng mga ayos. Talagang nung paikot, nahihilo na din.
They're just going around in circles.
Yes.
Kasi hindi alam niya Tito sa anong gagawin.
Oo.
With all this Mutalist pressure. Ayun, bumalik for round 2.
Okay, plus 1 armor si Extinct here, guys, and now his Hydralisk will try to move in and bust this 2 base of Atitos. I
Ito
think
na yung Hydra
Atitos
bus.
will say GG 5 minutes from now because this Hydra bus will definitely kill him without the storms.
Pero meron
The
siyang
storms
storms.
is now ready. These are 4 storms, guys. Pero
He
marami pa rin unit si Extinct. Mas marami talaga. And upgraded na. Plus 1
Ay,
weapon.
Yeah,
And these
Extinct should
cannons-
use the Mutalist para patayin yung mga High Templar.
Oo, yun lang. I-snipe na lang, no?
Yeah.
Oo. Eto na, magka-clash na sila pero
Ayun
kulang na
na.
kulang. Kaya nga, sinabi natin kanina.
Ayun na, isa-snipe na yung mga High Templar.
snipe
The
na
one
patay
goes
talaga
down.
itong Hydras na to, mga ano na to. Pero hindi talaga makakakonect si Atitos here kasi kulang na kulang. Kumbaga,
kulang indeed.
ano nga yung kanta na yun? Yung
Anong kanta ayun?
kulang na kulang, ano nga yun? Yung kay Kim Chiu pa rin ba yun?
Hindi ko alam. Kaya mo ba binabanggit si Kim Chiu ah?
Hindi na Kim Chiu eh, kasi walang lurker.
Hindi na na-contain.
Hindi na na-contain.
Wala na.
Extinct is very far away here, guys, right now, and I don't think Atitos will survive this. Pero Extinct is very wild right now with his 3 base. Ang daming units, and the clash is almost over.
And this game is going to go to Extinct.
We'll wait
Any
for
moment
the
now,
GG of
mag-GG na si
I think he
Atitos.
still has a miracle here. Oh,
Ayun.
no. Okay, the game 1 goes to Extinct.
Grabe, ano?
Makain kasi ako eh. Grabe. Yun yung
Grabe.
sinasabi ko na mabilis talaga yung transition ni Extinct compare sa kaya you don't give a second to these kinds of match kasi very ahead si Extinct. hopefully Titos will try to do an early push or anything that will try to hold his base second or third.
Ayun nga, dapat mag-apply siya ng pressure. So,
mag-apply siya ng
doesn't get-
pressure. Hindi niya na pressure kasi masyadong I think he's just testing the waters first kay Extinct kasi napagod din ata siya kanina eh. Let's
Sabagay.
create the game. No?
This is the best of 5 naman. So, we
Best
have,
of five.
yes.
Loser chooses the map. Blitz or ano ngayon? Sandali. Okay. Hindi ko na copy paste. And ay. Poly Citadel Blitz. Okay. This is best of 5 guys ha. So second map is Blitz. Let's go.
And andito na si Small Time.
Hello, it's small time. Good evening.
Hello guys, hello, welcome.
Welcome. Pasok ka, Small. Sa
Saan?
Ops. Parang hindi ka
Hindi,
naman
dito lang ako.
Ha?
Dito lang ako sa tingin lang ako sa Discord lang. Kasi baka
Kaya para hindi madagdag lag.
Okay.
Kasi tatlo tayong caster, so welcome sa mga nanonood dyan.
Sa lahat ng nagdi-dinner dyan, no? Hi, welcome. 12 million viewers. Shout out everyone. Welcome to the mini tournament PCST. Welcome. And I would like to thank the sponsors of this tournament. Sila Sir Banga, Art Unit, si ERW, and si Atitos King. Atitos King is our player sponsor for tonight. Okay, GG. Welcome again sa mga natin, mga casters, si Sir Francis, aka Small Time, and also si Solitude. So, kompleto na tayo, PVC. Meron na tayong
PVC.
photos, meron tayong si Zerg, and meron na tayong Terran. So, kulang na lang Orc. Sorry, mali pala yung yung game console. Sir Francis, do the honors, introduce the players.
Two of the ito pala mga semi-finalist on the upper right corner natin, the blue Zerg, which is very strong in terms of macro and very flexible, si Extinct. And on the other hand, the red Protoss, the up and coming Protoss player na si Atitos King, one of the principal sponsors dito sa tournament. Atitos King.
Yeah.
So Atitos King going for that fast nexus dito. That is the very yun talaga ang standard build ngayon sa Protoss, getting that pylon in front of the natural base. And it's either he will go for a gateway or a forge, and then going for a nexus.
Two-player map ba itong mapa na ito?
Yeah, that is a two-player map. So mas madali lang makita kagad yung mga opponent.
I've seen pro players if they get a hold of the bottom left base, and kasi sobrang hirap na may break, di ba? It's a ramp. Yung bottom left, yan.
Yes. Kasi yung nasa gitna, that is you have to use a shuttle or any transport para maka-build doon sa gitna. Yung nasa nasa mid-right, dyan. You need something to transport your probe or a drone or the SUV.
So sa map design alone, sinong favored dito? Zerg or Protoss?
I think this is very good sa Protoss kasi mas mas magka-clump yun sa gitna if you're using the Psionic Storm. Magka-clump yung mga Hydra. But if you go, that's why there's a lot of Zergs. They will try to fight in the middle of the map kasi mas malawak yung area. Parang I don't know about the statistics, but I think this is more favored on the side of the Protoss player.
Oh, medyo late yung hatch ni...
Oh, kasi he went for the spawning pool first, so that is why na late yung ano.
Yung hatch niya, no?
Hatchery. So now, Extinct Atitos very very safe here, getting those two cannons, and he will go for the gateway again. He's playing very passive as of right now. So I think Atitos predicted yung ano kasi he went for the spawning pool. Si Extinct naman very aggressive kasi una yung spawning pool niya. That's why Atitos reacted with two cannons just to play it safe.
Yeah. Actually, nakita niya kanina to. Na early yung pool.
Pero yun na nga, may third base na si...
Atito, si Extinct.
So,
Oh.
ano kaya ito? What build is he gonna go for? You think Muta ulit ito?
I think kita pa rin.
I think the good thing about the Zerg is ang dali kasi niya maka-transition from one unit to another kasi yun talaga ang advantage ng Zerg. So you have to be very you have to scan, you have to scout your opponent. Kaya kasi ang dali lang talaga maka-transition.
Ayun na nga, so even if he goes for a Spire, doesn't mean hindi siya pwede mag-hide.
Yeah. You can also, if you're very tricky, you can go for the Hydralisk Den and a spawning pool at the same time. So that would be a dilemma for your opponent. Kung ano ba talaga yung gagamitin ng Zerg.
Oh, pero ngayon si Atitos is very aggressive na yung build niya kasi nag-upgrade na siya ng forge niya.
Oh, so ano ulit to? Yung Zealot timing ulit ito? Ganun ba?
Yep.
I think he needs to go for the Corsair.
Okay.
That's one way of scouting your Zerg opponent. That's why yung mga pro, they go for the Corsair first. And see what the composition and what the opponent is doing. Lagyan mo ng music Janus.
Ay, wait.
May music ka. Control M.
Control
Ano
L.
yung,
Oo, Control M.
sana yung music ng Protoss? Ayun, Protoss.
Ay, wag mo ngayon palakasin. Ano lang, mahina lang.
Yan. Okay na yan.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, kumakain kasi ako ng steak.
Wow.
Wagyu.
Wagyu guys. Kain tayo guys, steak. At this king making a Citadel of Adon, I think this is an early bust. Pero ahead si dito, may Spire na si Extinct. And this will be useless if wala siyang Corsair, no?
That's why it's very important for the Protoss to go for the Corsair to see what the opponent is doing. Kasi if you only want to do that Zealot timing push, then your opponent is going for Muta, then dihado ka because the side blades won't hit the Mutas, di ba?
I don't know what Atitos is trying to do here, pero this is a sneaky move by Atitos, pero makikita ata to ng Mutalisk niya mamaya. This is what? Templar Archives.
He is going for Templar Archives dito, so he can try to defend this with Archons, pero we shall see and how our Zerg play will do. Kasi he can always micro it with his skill set, no? Kasi I think Extinct has that good meta micro.
Yes. And now you can see how the SimCity of Atitos, it's very open and very breathable right now compared to the last one. Nakikita niya na yung problema niya, iniikutan lang siya ng Mutalisk kanina eh. So he learned.
Now the the zealots are now going on the upper left corner dito, guys. So he will try to destroy this base, but the Sim City of Extinct is now being built.
I think kaya niyang i-defend to.
Yeah, he can defend this kasi may muta na siya, but
Ayun na.
kailangan lang talaga niya is to do a lot of damage dito.
Ayun, binabody block pa ng mga drone.
Yeah,
Oo.
yeah, that's
He needs to
one way
micro.
of
He needs to micro or just kill a lot of drones.
So very bad talaga sa part ni Atitos King. He doesn't have any counter against this Muta. He needs to make more cannons and do something. Do that Archon, try to defend this kasi kailangan niya. He doesn't have any dragoons, wala siyang ano. So ang ginawa lang talaga is go for the timing attack na para masira yung tempo ng Zerg natin. But as you can see, Extinct, a very veteran move here, defended it well with his drones and with those static defense din. So here comes the attack, no? So kailangan niya timingin ito. Very good way ano. Oh my god, hindi na micro ni ano.
Shot!
That is a one.
Oh
Three
my
shots.
god. The Archon managed to get 3 shots sa Mutalis.
Oo. Tapos pag mag-clamp pa yan, that would be a very good damage. He needs to micro his Archon dito. He needs to wag mong i-target na yung Overlord. Concentrate fire ka na. Tignan mo yung mga
Grabe,
damage. Lahat
lakas,
sila
oh.
nadadamage. Oo. Grabe.
Lakas.
So I think Extinct doesn't need to fight those Archons. He just needs to go and attack siguro the base na lang talaga.
But very very secure yung base ni Atitos. Now Atitos trying to attack again
Yet
in the level
again,
of block.
he is...
Pero isa na lang ang isa na lang. And then mauubos na itong mga etong mga drones mamamatay ito. And now here comes the Archon pero ang layo pa. He needs to retreat, guys. Atitos needs to retreat. And now he's using the drones to body block those zealots. And now
Oh my god! Those Mutas is dead! Oh my god! Very good job!
Pero,
Uy, pero
he still recovers. Ang daming zilot na nangyari, guys. This is a new meta of Atitos King and maraming masyadong pera si Atitos King here. He needs to use all of that or try to expand, guys.
So he's
Atitos.
using those zealots to ano lang siguro, he is diverting the Mutalist to be para ma-out of position siya. Yung Mutalist is
Oo.
out of position while attacking in the mid attack. So his Archons, he needs to defend his Archons kasi ito talaga bread and butter
Medyo
niya dito
makanta
kasi
yung Mutalist, ano?
Oo,
Kaya
wala siyang ano, but
nagsiseparate
now,
na. Wala.
oo. But there's a lot
Pinapaseparate
of...
na lang.
He's running away. He's now running away. He needs a Dragoon. He needs some anti-air dito. Kasi wala...
Wala bang
But
target?
Archon...
May overload pa sa base na Atitos so hindi na pinapatay.
Yeah.
Kaibigan ata sila.
Friendly.
Friendly, ano sila, friendly.
Wait,
Ano,
why
mamaya,
won't
Di-
why won't Atitos
Ano?
make Corsairs? Wala bang
No,
target?
because I think he is just fixated of going for a gateway man siya dito. So that's kailangan niya mag-change siguro ng strategy dito. But he's very relentless here. He's using that pressure. So that's why he's not going for any different build kasi it will cost him a lot of gas dito din
Oo.
if he goes for
Okay,
Corsair.
okay.
So
Atitos.
he's sticking with his with his plan, going for that
Pero isang
how do you
storm
call it?
lang. Isang storm
Yeah,
lang.
yeah.
Oo.
4 or 5 Mutalis ang mamamatay. But
I think very good, bad engagement kay Extinct.
very bad indeed.
Oo.
Kasi most of them were wounded na and 2 or 3 shots lang ng photon cannon mamamatay na.
Totoo. So
Atitos.
that
Sabi si
Overlord
Atitos.
is now in danger, guys. Ano na siya. He
Meron
is now away. Para siyang naalumangawan. Ano ba yun sa Tagalog? Yung parang half-woken ka.
Bagong
Tapos
gising.
nasa base ako sa kalaban. Ganun.
Na-realize dyan, uy, hindi ito base ko ah.
Ano,
Ayun nga.
ano tawag nun? Yung ano ba?
He sacrificed himself for the good of the Zerg.
Depressed of Lord. He just let himself
depressed.
die.
Ano ba? So I think that
si Atitos.
Oh no, 2
Oh yeah, very. Oh my God, that's a lot. But
The
here comes
Wala,
the
naubos yung Muta. Pero marami siyang sa Hydralis sa base.
Like I said, this is very, very bad for the Zerg dito kasi if he will push on that narrow area there, the Psionic will have that Festa. They will
Archons din.
sizzle those Hydralisks to death. Mag-sizzling sisig talaga yung mga Hydralisks dyan.
Pero I don't
ganun.
think, nag-fully transition na si Extinct sa Hydra, so wala nang Mutalisks.
No, yeah, I think the Muta was just his first attempt to do something. And here
Ito
comes the
na.
Muta. But he needs to move his High Templar dito. Kailangan gamitin niya yung High Templar. He needs to use the geography dito. Now, he's now dito lang si Anitus King. He didn't use the map in his advantage.
Yeah, but this is a really hard base to push.
Yeah.
Kasi yung
Because he
may
needs to
ramp
go
dyan,
up
no?
on he needs to go up on the ramp and he needs to go on this narrow area. So that is why the river is also a viable solution dito to kill those Hydralisks dito, guys. Kasi ang rami, a very narrow area diyan. And Dragoons are now up. Very, very strong transition ni Atitus King. He will try to kasi the second way na gagawin niya Extinct dito is go for those lurkers and go for those he needs blocking it, but here comes the shuttle. Ito na.
I think
This
this
is
is-
one way of destroying the economy
Yeah,
of
this
our
is-
Zerg player.
Storm drop lang ito, no?
Storm drop lang yan.
ito.
Or maybe
Very
Dark
good, very
Templar
good.
pwede din. Very good
Doon,
move
Dark
dito.
Templar.
Dark Templar. So there's a lot of strategies, mas marami yung
Yeah,
options
one-
niya dito. But here comes the
125.
amazing sizzling steak na dito, guys.
Oh my
Wagyu
God,
beef.
this is only
Pero
4
hindi.
kills.
Hindi, only 4 kills. But still, the mining time is now. Here comes the attack. That was a distraction. A distraction of magician. The Houdini of
Hydra.
Protoss, guys.
Ayun na,
Ito
si
na yan.
Hydra.
Oo, ito na.
Ayun na nga.
Sizzling, Ayun na na sizzling Hydra. Now Extinct is now getting extinct na. Mawawala na siya
Base is gonna go down.
Extinct is now a
Oh
dinosaur,
my
guys.
god. Oh my god,
Cancel
guys.
the sport base. Pero nag-boom
Oo.
siya ito.
Extinct is
Yeah,
gonna
yeah.
be extinct, ano?
Oo. The weighing scale is now in the side of our Protoss player ni si Atitus King.
Yes, I think Atitus King will need to move his units para makaroon pa tayo na so he will still have the advantage. And now Atitus
Yeah,
King,
oh my god,
Ayun naman, si Hydra.
Sizzling Hydra na naman, and here comes
oh
the
my
attack.
God, oh
Why
my
does he
God,
want to kill
walang
the
units,
Zerg?
Extinct, guys. Walang
Oh
units.
my god! Walang
Extinct na
unit.
units na extinct.
Oh, and here comes the
Ito.
black. Oh my god, he's now blocking. I mean, how do you call this? Sandwiching everyone.
Oh my
No,
God,
the
walang
attack.
units. Ang
Oh
bilis ng
my
units.
god, Extinct is. Oh no, I mean, Atitus King deflected that attack by going from different sides dito, guys. But in terms of bases, parang okay pa si Atitus King dito kasi he have that third, na secure na yung third, and now he's going for the fourth. Very greedy in his part. Pero
So, it's
siguro
double expansion. Oh my God. Parang
Oh my God, he did-
I don't know what is the decision here. Ang bilis na.
pero okay lang.
Oh,
Okay pa yan si
Okay
Atitus
pa.
King. Okay pa siya. Oo. Kasi I think yung thinking niya is he lost a lot of Hydras. So hindi yan aatake si Extinct. And
Oo.
that's why he's getting that fourth. He is very confident to getting that fourth, and he has much better army composition compared sa Zerg. Pero now, this is what I call, ito yung nightmare ng Protoss yung lurker I mean, oo.
Yeah,
Kasi
but-
it's very hard.
Wala
Very
bang
hard to
observer?
push.
wala pa
Meron,
observer.
but the-
Pero may observer.
merong observer, but the thing here is
Ito.
they will the thing here, they will try to destroy those observer, and then
Drop ba? Oh, drop.
ayun, drop na naman. Here comes the sizzling drones
Sizzling
na naman ito.
drone.
Oh my god, gagawin mo ng
Dalawang storm. 121.
Oh my god, that's a
Very
lot
nice
of drones
move,
na
man.
9 drones
That
go
is move.
down. 9 drones. Tatlong set ng larva
Grabe si Atitus King ngayon. Very talaga
On top of his
well
game.
prepared. Oo, talagang Fitbit. Ano ba yung Fitbit?
Fitbit, ano?
Watch what? Talagang ano, na fit siya dito sa match nila. So he needs to destroy this mineral base dito, guys. Because that is Hoy, ang rami na. Ito kasi ang problema nito na map is there's a lot of elevated areas. So he needs to push that area there. Pero tingnan natin na how he pushes this. No observer on his part. Now he's testing the waters. Tinitignan niya kung meron bang the defense has that capability to defend. Tinitignan namin yung dalawang observer. Now he sees that there's a lot of lurkers. He's going for the Dragoon first and getting this. And he's doing it. He's doing it actually.
Yes, gonna lose all those lurkers sa
And here comes the attack na naman. Oh my god. Sizzling lurker na naman. And here comes the Zealot, guys. This is the final shot. Oh my god.
Yung reinforcements ni Extinct.
Oh, kulang sa'yo.
Bro,
Ba't ang namin niya? Why is coming back? What?
Going back.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam anong ginagawa ni ano. What? Bakit siya?
Nalilito siya, guys. I think hindi siya fully committed first.
Baka nahusan siya ng storm.
I think,
siya ng storm. Isa na lang
Hindi ko alam.
Wala.
Hindi ko alam yun. That is a blunder on his part, not getting that sense that he was winning the war. I mean the battle. Dito, guys.
Naku, he should have gotten that base, ano?
Yeah, easily actually. But I don't know, he is playing with his food. But sometimes, don't play with your food kasi your food will eat you after. Wala na akong...
He's playing with a dinosaur, guys.
Kaya, ayun, nakahabol na ng supplies Extinct, oh.
Oo. So
Kanina, there was almost a 40 supply disadvantage.
As you can see, that they are now reinforcing a lot of lurkers now, stabilizing that base. I think Atitos King just got traumatized by the style of Extinct that he was just thinking that there are more reinforcement. Ganun. So, ayun lang, doon siya nagkamali.
Dito mag-attack. Kesa dito,
But he needs to go up on the ramp. No, I think mas maganda. Maganda doon sa kabila kasi mas malawak yung area. Dito kasi very very narrow ang ramp niya. Patay na sana tong base na to. He didn't even you should have committed it and tried to kill it na lang sana.
Pero tignan yung composition niya ni Extinct, it's only links and lurkers, meaning he's gonna go for a defiler.
Yes, he is definitely going for a defiler. He's going for that defiler push kasi once the defiler is up, then the game will change kasi may plague, may ano na.
Dark Swarm.
Diyan siya Dark Swarm. Kaya sayang lang talaga si Atitos King. But the very gas-oriented yung defiler. Kailangan niya patayin. Kailangan niya
He needs at least 3 gases to keep it up. 4 if he wants lurkers, ultras and defilers, 4 gases.
Yeah.
Pero
Both of them are just waiting for each other to attack, guys.
I don't understand this kasi Atitos King should have won that
may
battle.
drop ulit.
But
Ito, may
Sizzling
drop.
sizzling drones? Ilan to?
sizzling drones, tignan natin yung sizzling drones dito. How much? Oy.
Ay, wala.
Walang
zero.
patay doon.
Ay,
Isang
sizzling.
patay, namatay pa.
Sizzling links.
Sizzling lang.
Wala.
Very good, very nice move here by Atitos King.
Oh my god. He's using the shuttle kasi no anti-air sa Zerg dito. He doesn't have any scourges yet.
Oo, kasi
I think Atitos needs to attack na.
Oo, the only thing he needs to be very careful kasi Defiler is on the map. Kailangan may observer sa gitna kasi once that Defiler using those Dark Swarm, that will be a nail of the coffin kasi talagang unbeatable yun pag nasa orange cloud ang Zerg, guys.
Yeah. If may defiler na, he needs lots of gases itong si Atitos.
Yeah,
Because it's gonna go for
Archons.
High Templars, Reavers, very gas-intensive unit.
Totoo.
Kaya he needs at least 4 or 3 gases, pero depleted natin iba eh.
I think the main base depleted na siguro. Here comes the drop again, but I don't know. This shuttle is not doing enough. Oh no, here comes the drop again. He needs to use those. Good job sacrificing himself.
Very good.
Very good drop, sacrificing himself for the greater good of the Empire. Ito na naman sa fight na sa gitna. Now the Defiler is running away. He is not.
kill this.
Oh, like I said,
Pero
but still,
walang observer, guys.
Walang yan.
Walang observer. Ang
use the
observer
psionic
dito,
storm. You have that.
Papanik ang
Nagpapanik.
observer.
Nagpapanik na tayo dito, guys. Nagpapanik na.
Ito na, wala pang cannon yung dito na area.
Oh no! Pero andyan yung reinforcement.
But here comes the attack. Pero ang problema dito, namatay yung yung Defiler. The Defiler died. Hindi pa nakatas ng Dark Swarm. Will be a good fight sa Protoss dito, guys. He doesn't even kill the Nexus dito, and now he is now making a more units, and that was a lot of lurkers sa namatay.
Oh my God.
Oh no!
Goy, hindi
Wala
na
na.
Ay naku!
namatay ito. Wala na nangyari.
Ito na.
He is now losing
Ito
his
na ang
composure dito,
swarm.
guys.
Ito na sinasabi ko eh. Pag wala kang Archons,
Yeah,
Walang
kaya nga,
rivers,
he's
walang
losing.
Archons, walang
His
storm.
wala na yung macro niya, nawawala na siya sa macro dito, guys. Ano na nangyari kay Atitos King? Atitos King is now being harassed a lot on that 9 o'clock position. Pero wala na siya. Kinakain na ng mga Zergling.
oh my God, the upgrade of
Oh my
Instinct
God.
is already 3-2, while si Atitos King is 3-1-3. Very ahead ngayon si Extinct. Just using his Zergling, guys,
Oo.
to attack the bases, and ang daming
I don't
observer
think-
dito.
I don't
Dito.
think eh.
I don't think
Yeah.
Atitos King will
Oh my God, naglag.
from this
Nangyari.
kasi nawala tayo.
Naglag.
He's using the lag. He's using the lag to play this, guys. Ito na ang ginagamit ni internet.
Using his,
Like, oh my goodness, wala na.
guys.
Wala nang unit si Atitos King.
Like I said, nawala siya sa composure.
Wow. Ito na. Ito na. Walang observers. Let's go.
Nawala.
Grabe. Ito sinasabi ko, Zergling lang ang uubos.
Ay hindi, may storm.
May storm.
But
pero
what
wala
can you
pa rin.
do? What can you do? What can you do? That it's just too late for the Protoss player. He is on 119 army supply against this 162.
Oh my God.
Supposedly ang Protoss should have more units than the Zerg. Pero sa ngayon, Extinct just destroying
Ayun
his
na, meron ng
army.
river. He can fight back against the swarm.
But this is
Yeah,
already
but
too
is
late, I think. I
Yeah,
hope-
that's
I hope.
just too late for our Protoss player, guys. And now he's just spreading all his Zerglings.
Oh,
Wala
this is
na.
the Zerglings, guys.
A-move na lang ginagawa ni Extinct.
Oh my God.
So, oh my
Oh
God, kahit na
my
magmamicro
God.
ka dito, you cannot do anything about these lurkers.
Ay hindi,
Zerglings,
wala
they're
isang
just-
river.
May isang river nga, pero anong magawa dito? You cannot just deal with this mass
GG.
army.
Okay,
Oh my
GG.
God, it's
Second game goes to Extinct.
Yeah.
Grabe. Pero I think Titus is now getting a hold of Extinct's playing. And we'll see in the third match. Baka maka-adjust na siya Titus.
I think Atitos King it was just a blunder for him not committing on that attack on that middle base. That was the turning point of the match. Kasi if you only destroy that, then parang he is very much in advantage. He can do whatever he wants. He's just dropping. He was doing good in the mid game. But in the last game, nawala siya sa composure. And that's why nawala din siya sa second game, guys. That's why I think the nerves, I don't know.
Yeah, the nerves got to him.
Yeah, I think the nawala siya, nababaliw-baliw na si doon, si Atitos King.
He was overthinking na ang dami pang reinforcements, di ba? Kaya he just
totoo
backed out. Sayang. He should have won. He should have gotten that base and medyo siguro lumang sa kanya yung game pero wala.
Madali lang
Sayang.
pala yung atakin yung yung sa blitz, yung sa upper left na second ang dali lang sana no. Kung inattack niya lang, makakabawi pa siya.
Yeah, of course, sana makabawi pa sana siya noon, pero ano talaga. I think doon lang talaga hindi siya nag-commit. I think that was the turning point. Kasi he had a lot of units. Wala na, I don't know why.
Hindi, ano lang, testing the waters again.
But I think it's too late for Atitos to test the waters again kasi it's
wala na
last lifeline niya na to.
This is the last match kung hindi siya mananalo.
Oo.
Neo Dark Origin, let's go. Asa ganitong Neo Dark Origin? 2000. Ito. Let's go.
Two-player map na naman. That is a two-player map again. Neo Genesis, Neo Dark Origin pala.
Okay, let's go.
Yung
The
two-player map,
second match, panalo si Extinct. And the second match almost match lang sila ni Atitos, pero hopefully. Let's start.
Pero I think Atitis King he needs to play this with the intent to win. Wag hindi siya sabi niya ang lakas ni Extinct. No, you should be very confident in terms of
stop doubting yourself.
Don't believe in
Don't
yourself
stop
kasi
believing.
Stop believing.
kasi once you
I think Atitos is just trying to do a chat strategy, guys. Hindi siya sinasabi niya lang yun para ma-relax si
Para kumpiyansa.
mapilipit siya.
So that's a double edge din kasi kung if you don't believe in yourself and you're just ganun parang double edge nga siya, parang if nag-think si Extinct na he's just para magkukumpiyansa siya, then it's good for him, but kung his intention na malakas talaga si Extinct, then that will be very bad for his part. Kailangan niya hindi siya mawala ng confidence niya dito.
Believe in yourself, Atitos. Kaya
Believe in yourself. Oo.
Wait lang,
Don't doubt.
ulit ako ng steak.
So, di ba Saltitude Zerg ka naman? Anong feeling pag Protoss yung natin, yung kalaban mo? Is it very hard for you to play?
Yeah, lalo na kung ang dami niyang Zealots, Dragoons, Storms, nakakainis yung Storm. Pero if you have lots of bases, you can keep creating units para ma-deplete yung Storm.
Oo, totoo. So, I think So, I think Extinct very, very good in defending efficiently, no?
Yung macro niya, ganda.
Kaya nga very well rehearsed talaga siya sa macro, and he's very efficient when it comes to defending and attacking, and he will counter you when you don't expect it, diba? That's one way. So I don't know what Atitos is thinking right now, so hopefully he doesn't lose hope kasi he's down 2-0, but miracle can happen, guys. So tignan natin kung
Ano sa tingin mo gawin ni Atitos, Multi?
I think Atitos really did a good job sa second game. Very good na sana yun eh. And that's one parang when you do a good job in the second game tapos natalo ka pa rin, then that parang sa isip mo, oh my god, ginawa ko na lahat tapos natalo pa ako, then that's very parang you feel hopeless. Pero kaya nga sinabi niya kanina sa chat ang lakas ni Extinct kasi dun I think he felt hopeless there kasi he was winning in the mid game.
He needs time out, kumbaga.
The start, the third game. If Atitos King will lose, Extinct will go to the finals and wait for the losers. Okay.
Shout out kay Mr. Daya.
Yep.
Shout out tayo, Lebroni 69, Lebroni, what's up, yo?
Lebroni 69. Atitos King, believe in yourself like Boston won against Maverick. Pero hindi, diba? 4-1 yun, diba?
Siguro. 4-1 ba yun?
4-1 yun. Do you think dapat mag 2-gate opening si Atitos and then non-stop pressure?
Pwede din, but this is a two-player map. It's very easy to be makita kaagad ni Extinct kung anong ginagawa niya.
Predictable kumbaga.
Very predictable if you go for a two-player map. So I think the 2-gate can do maybe okay din. unless hindi makita ni Extinct.
Pero he usually goes for spawning pool kaagad, di ba? So, nga. Walang...
Plays it very safe eh.
Oo.
The downside of getting the spawning pool first, you have lesser drone.
Yeah, malilate yung hatchery and therefore lesser drones. Wait, player introductions muna, small time.
Oh yeah, the red Protoss sa Titus King is down to 2, and while the Zerg player na wait lang. The Zerg player na si Extinct ba? Extinct yung blue Zerg. Sino nasa red kasi si Extinct there on the upper left corner, getting his spawning pool first.
As usual, 3 games siya itong ginagawa and he's gonna do the drone trick. Ika-cancel niya ba to? Oh, hindi!
You know, he's getting for that. Like,
cancel
very talagang same strategy.
Oh, yeah.
I think Atitus needs to adjust from this style.
Ginawa niya yun para ma-maximize kaagad yung drones. So, he has now 10 drones instead of 9.
So we have a comment here from Libroni. Atitus do not attack the turtle Zerg and expand. Makes River and Storm for each base. Make River and Archon composition for late game.
Yeah,
so, yan
tama. River and Archon for late game, lalo na kung may Swarm. But then, those are very gas-extensive units.
Yeah, you have to have a lot of bases. Pero as you can see now, at Titus King, I think he can make a pylon on that natural sana just to block those that natural base. Pero
if you consider yung pylon as just na matatapos siya, you get
I think depende.
What I miss.
Wala yung cameraman natin, guys. So
Ayan. I'm back.
kumakain pa raw.
Tapos
Inubos na yung steak. Ayun, sabi.
Hindi ko na kaya kasi nagugutom na. And I need the protein.
Ayun, Atitus King is playing it safe again. 2 cannons.
same thing. So I think it did a good job, no? Yung second game, so he's doing yet again the same strategy dito.
Yeah, pero kung yung isang cannon, that could be 3 probes or a gateway.
Yeah, actually can just cut one of the cannons. Sana.
Tapos SimCity niya lang,
Oo. Kasi the 2 cannons is just too much, siguro. Too much na. Unless if you see that he's making more Zerglings, then yes. But the build of Extinct is just going for those Zerglings and going for the third. Yeah, that's why they don't need that second cannon.
As usual, I think yung first 100.
Atitos is just is just
Can you Janas, pwede shift tab kasi nagkamali pala yung color kasi.
Ay, sorry.
Oo.
Shift tab. Ganon din eh.
Yan. Kasi ang
Yan, tama yan.
Red and blue.
Nag-layer na ba? Can you check?
Wala pa.
Wala.
He's going for
Libas 973 build.
973 build. Oh, no. Pero may dalawang... Pero yung look at the position ng dalawang cannons, they're very far back. Hindi nila mapapunish yung Hydra na...
Yeah, parang ganun na. That is a sacrificial lamp na yon, gateway and that high.
So he has to remake the forge.
But if you can just make more cannons siguro, then maybe.
Dito lang sa baba.
Yung gap nila, no?
Now he's going for the Stargate. Yes, that is the standard build dito, getting that Stargate and getting for that Corsair.
What
So last game he will use.
Dito niya nilagay yun? Bakit hindi dito?
No, he's hiding kasi there's an overlord there. So para alam, he's playing it very
Very smart move. Very
shady.
smart move.
Very shady move.
Pero makikita.
Makikita, pero I don't siguro makikita siguro. I know he didn't move an inch siguro, pero yun, hindi nga makita yun. Kanina kasi Atitus King went for the timing zealot push, pero
Laging napapush back ni Extinct kasi ang ganda ng SimCity.
And now Atitos or Extinct has no spy here, guys.
Hindi nga,
Parang-
nakita ng drone na it's gonna be, 973.
Yeah.
Nakita niya because
So,
walang...
nagdagdag ko siya ng canon dito.
Oo,
Very
very smart.
well prepared. Pero, wala pang question na nangyayari. And hopefully, maubos ni Atitos yung
So he reacted very well ni Atitos dito, getting the 3 cannon defense dito just to defend his
Corsair is
natural.
now out.
Yeah,
So
pero
Corsair will
ayun. Pero pag nakita naman ni Extinct na he went for turtle mode, he can just expand and expand, di ba? Ay, hindi.
hindi mo din kasi if you expand too much then you have a little army. So
sabagay, yeah.
Atitos King will try to attack that. That's why that's very important with those Corsair to see if he's going for that fast expansion. I mean more expansion or not, or making more Hydra. So he needs to react accordingly dito.
He's very, supply blocked. He needs 2 overlords para makapag-produce ulit ng unit. So very good from Atitos King.
Yes,
Ayun,
Atitos King just needs his zealots to to tank it out para matapos yung upgrade, pero I don't think the upgrades will finish. Now the Corsair will see the base. He will check if there are a lot of drones, kasi pag hindi ganun karaming drones, that means he's going for an all-in or maybe
Oo.
more Hydralisk. So
Pero hindi
you have
eh.
also
He's going for a hatchery
Yes.
and 3 drones. So magmamakro siya.
Uy, galing. Like I said, he's now tanking his zealot to delay that attack. That's why he's running back and forth dito to
Oo.
delay, he's tanking it up.
Pero wala rin. Those are 100 mineral units. Sayang din.
Yeah.
Oh my
Agree
God.
naman.
Oh my God.
Should have not died. That was a useless death drone. Oh my goodness. That
Oh my... Oh, hindi. Natapos ba? Or
natapos,
kinancel?
natapos siguro yun. I think so.
Can you check yung
Ah.
zealot?
Check mo nga yung upgrades. Natapos
Ayun,
talaga.
na+1.
Yeah.
He's going for the timing push,
Ang raming gateways. So he's doing
Yeah, he's
gateway
going-
man. And now Stick will
Kasi
just go
nakita
back.
niya. Yeah, nakita niya he was droning. Extinct was droning up. He's going for the mid game now.
Oh, so walang larva to produce Hydralis or other units. So,
That's why it's very important to some small details must be talaga. Must
at
be
wala pang spire na nasisimulan to help defend against the zealots. Pero he's producing sunken colonies.
Yeah. Kasi
Tapos
ang
yung niya, yung Corsair niya, no? Lahat ng
Oo,
Corsair.
actually isa lang ata ginawa, di ba?
isa lang, sana yun, that was his scout. But the thing here, hindi niya na micro yung Corsair niya eh.
Ito
Oo nga.
naman. Baka yung upgrade niya ba kanina? Kasi at akala ko nag +1 siya ng air.
So Dragon
O,
Range?
Ano yun? Goon range.
Baka Dragon Range is expecting lurkers siguro.
Nag-lair na ba siya? Nag-lair?
Mayroon ng lair. Pero wala pang spire, so lurkers.
May lurkers na, pagawa na.
This is very hard for Atitos King kasi nagde-drone up na si Extinct dito.
Oo, he's going for late game.
Oo,
Pero
damage oh.
ang game plan lang ngayon ni Titus is to push with yung +1 zealots and legs. I don't think may magagawa siya enough. Wala. No.
Wala, may lurkers pa. So that is hopeless for the zealot to do any damage right there kasi atras talaga siya. He needs an observer dito.
He needs a goons.
I think
Tama na yan.
I think he needs to go. I think go for the dragoons or maybe go for the expansion na lang siguro just to pay.
Makipagsabayan sa Zerg.
Oh. Nag-expand na nga siya.
Wala ba siyang
But he,
upgrade, no? Nag-upgrade ba siya? Hindi makita eh. Ayun nag-upgrade. He needs to expand and he needs the...
wala si I think he did much better sa second game, no? Sayang to eh kasi don't let Extinct mas up talaga kasi makikita mo talaga yung strength niya in the late game. You will see those Dark Swarm, those Plague, and everything. So, kailangan huwag mo siyang palakihin.
I think the only chance Titus will win here is constant damage to extinct. Kasi
Just pressure the Zerg. Pressure the
Oo,
Zerg.
kasi
Kailangan niya,
minerals dito, no? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Apat.
Oh, yeah. So if they get 4 bases, lamang ang Protoss. Because Zerg needs +1 base to be
Kasi
ahead
may
talaga.
storm din si Atitos. And
Oo.
Atitos can just storm this Hydras later on. Hopefully, maraming damage.
sayang lang, I think sayang lang ang ginawa ni Atitos King dito kasi he could have used those bridges to Psionic his opponent. Kasi sana nandun siya sa gitna just to have that pressure para mayroon siyang, how do you call this, yung
Damage points.
map control. Meron siyang map control dito.
You mean sa side ni
I
Extinct?
mean doon siya, sa front in front lang sa base para makita niya yung push niya. Pero the only thing hindi niya hindi niya na
He
kinapsulate
needs
yung
to, yung tatlong, dito, yung tatlong bridge.
Yeah, and he's now holding his side of the bridge.
Yeah,
Kasi he knows-
this is very bad for Atitos King dito. He is now siya na yung natatrap dito eh. Those lurkers are is a pain of the ass dito guys kasi
He's gonna get a 4th base.
Dapat hindi siya aalis dito. Kasi pag makita siya dito, diretso na lang yung CS.
Oo! Buti walang overload sa area na yan. But he sees
God.
it na
This is
nag-produce siya
very
ng
risky
4th
for
base.
Atitos. Atitos is now trying to turn around just to stop the
Meron kayang sizzling hydras,
Oh my
meron! Pero
storm.
sizzling zealots
Not
din.
very good yet. And here comes the storm. Very nice storm here. And now,
I think this is very good job at Atitos King
Hydras.
getting that. He's going behind the enemy
Pero
lines
hindi,
dito, guys. But
hindi nagagamit yung
the thing about here is natatrap siya na matatrap dito because there's more units coming from behind ni
Oh
ni
no,
Atitos
reinforcements
King.
ni Extinct.
He, like I said, sayang hindi.
Just to kill
Siya
this.
dito eh. I think hindi niya nagamit talaga yung map, the advantage niya dito. He could have stayed on those sa base ng Zerg doon sa may
Oo, kanina, no? Para hindi
Oo.
makalabas.
Lakers are pushing ahead to sa side ng map ni Atitos King.
And
Yeah,
now,
wala,
we're
mahirap
gonna
na
bust
to.
this.
Like I said, ito na yung sinasabi ko eh.
Walang support ng army ni Atitos, guys. And I think we will
No,
hear.
I think the hydras alone, the tower, the cannons alone can defend the base.
Oh my goodness.
Pero he's using the
Yeah,
lakers to block off reinforcements.
No, galing
Galing.
din talaga, galing ni Extinct dito, getting those using his mas knowledgeable si Extinct dito, guys. You can see that the experience will always shine compare sa mga bago-bago naman. Hindi naman to siya hindi naman matagal to sa Atitos King naglalaro ng StarCraft. I think sa one-on-one pero you can always see the difference, guys, na Extinct really knows. He has that knowledge, guys, on playing this against this Protoss army ni Atitos King.
This is the start of the end. for
Wala na, yeah,
Atitos King.
this is a time bomb na lang to. Wala na to eh.
If
He can do
matatalo dito si Atitos King, wala nang lowers para sa kanya, no? Wala nang lower bracket.
Hindi, lower pa siya.
Lower.
Diba?
Wala
Oo,
rin siya talo.
siya yung kakalabanin niya si Artanis. And I don't know if
Anong race ni Artanis?
Si Artanis and
PvP.
Oo.
GG.
Easy talaga.
GG.
Like, wala na